welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about trim function. Trim function in PHP takes a string as a parameter and removes all the white spaces from the starting or from the end of a string. Let's see it using an example. So in this program, here we have a string hello world which have spaces in the end and in the starting. On this line we are printing string as it is, and on this line we are printing the return of trim function. So the output of this program is hello world. We do have a space over here and one space over here, and on the next line we don't have any space. It is being trimmed off. So trim function removes any prepending and appending white spaces from any given string.